The pouring is completed. I'm just waiting the surface to cure a bit or to dry a bit, so I can apply with a broom finish and final edging of construction joint. Yeah, it's about 5:30 now, so but I have to wait till it starts um, to dry, so I can apply the finishing, the final finishing. And tomorrow I have to pour this small gap, so this about less than a meter, or no, it's not a meter, sorry, less than 9 liters of concrete mix. So hopefully it won't rain tomorrow. So it's already 5:30, but still bright. So uh, the day is now changing. So October we have daylight saving again, so that's why the climate now is changing. I mean, the day is getting longer as October approaches. Yeah, so nice weather. There's no clouds. This is what I want, so I can finish this concrete every time I pour. Alright, so yeah, to my subscribers, I hope you don't feel tedious waiting this concrete footpath to finish. So just be patient. Like what I said, I'm doing this concrete footpath for the sake of my health. So I want to become healthy, so I need sort of exercise. So that's why my son asked me to do this concrete footpath for them. So yeah, so tomorrow after concreting, I have to start the top portion. So I have to get alignment on this side for the water channel. So as you can see, so this is the level now of concrete footpath on this side. So that's the highest point there, that's the highest point, and then it links to this point. So there's like a 70 mil drop on this side here. So that's the same level on this side. So basically this level here and level that one is the same, so all the way through. So we have a 70 mil drop altogether. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do tomorrow, to lay out this alignment here. As you can see, the water channel alignment, so it runs all the way to here, and then there's a water channel on this line here as well that links on this down pipe. Yeah, right. I'm going to pour concrete on this wall here and all this side here, because the purpose of that, so that the seepage and runoff on the other side won't come here. Yeah, so that's the purpose of that. All right, so that's about it. So thank you for your patience, and hope you like my small presentation, just to show you how to do concrete mixture in a small amount of volume. All right, my friends, see you tomorrow, and please be safe. God bless, and I can say good night because it's nearly 6 o'clock. Bye for now.